Welcome to the NK Academy Basic English Speaking Series. Many people understand English, but when it is time to introduce themselves, they feel nervous or shy. They don't know what to say or how to start. At NK Academy, we believe that learning English should be simple, clear, and practical. In today's lesson, you will learn how to give a simple and confident self-introduction in English. Self-introduction is one of the most important communication skills because it helps you start conversations, meet new people, and build confidence. By the end of this lesson with NK Academy, you will be able to introduce yourself clearly and naturally in English. So listen carefully, repeat the sentences after me, and imagine you are introducing yourself to someone for the first time with the help of NK Academy. Let's begin our lesson with NK Academy by learning the first and most basic step of self-introduction, telling your name. When you meet someone for the first time, the first thing you usually say is your name. A very simple sentence you can use is, "Hello, my name is John." You can also say, "Hi, I am John." Both sentences are very common and natural in everyday conversation. At NK Academy, we encourage you to speak slowly and clearly so your confidence grows every day. After telling your name, the next step in NK Academy's speaking practice is telling people where you are from. This helps the other person know more about you. A simple sentence you can use is, "I am from Pakistan." If you want to be more specific, you can say the name of your city. For example, you can say, "I am from Kedah." You can also combine both ideas into one sentence, such as, "I am from Kedah, Pakistan." Practicing these sentences regularly with NK Academy will help you speak more naturally. The next important part of self-introduction in the NK Academy English Learning Series is talking about what you do. If you are a student, you can say, "I am a student." If you study in school, college, or university, you can say, "I am a college student," or "I study at a university." If you work, you can say something like, "I work in an office," or "I am a teacher," or "I work as a shop manager." At NK Academy, we always recommend using simple sentences because simple English is the best way to build strong speaking skills. Another useful part of your self-introduction with NK Academy is talking about your hobbies or interests. Talking about hobbies makes your introduction more interesting and friendly. For example, you can say, "I like reading books." You can also say, "I enjoy listening to music," or "I like watching movies." Some people like sports, so they might say, "I like playing football," or "I enjoy exercising." Sharing your hobbies is a great way to connect with people, and at NK Academy, we encourage students to practice speaking about their interests every day. You can also add a sentence about your goals or what you are learning. For example, you can say, "I am learning English to improve my communication skills." Another example could be, "I want to improve my English speaking." This shows that you are motivated and focused on learning. At NK Academy, our goal is to help you become confident in speaking English step by step. Now, let's combine everything we learned in this NK Academy speaking lesson into a complete self-introduction. For example, you can say something like this. "Hello, my name is Ahmed. I am from Kedah, Pakistan. I am a student. I like reading books and listening to music. I am learning English to improve my speaking skills. Nice to meet you." This is a simple, clear, and confident self-introduction. At NK Academy, we always remind our students that you don't need difficult vocabulary. Simple sentences spoken clearly are enough to introduce yourself effectively. Remember, the key idea in the NK Academy English speaking practice is to speak slowly and repeat the sentences regularly. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Now it's your turn to practice with NK Academy. Try introducing yourself using simple English sentences. Start by saying your name, then say where you are from, what you do, and one or two hobbies you enjoy. Speak slowly and clearly, and imagine you are talking to someone for the first time. At NK Academy, we encourage you to practice this introduction every day to improve your English speaking confidence. Great job practicing today with NK Academy. Now you know how to introduce yourself in simple English. Keep repeating these sentences and try to use them whenever you meet someone new. In the next episode of the NK Academy Basic English Speaking series, we will learn how to greet people and ask simple questions like, "How are you?" and "Where are you from?" Keep practicing, keep speaking, and NK Academy will help you improve your English step by step. I will see you in part 2.